How to transfer files from a Windows 11 computer to a Mac computer. Follow these steps. This is the folder where I want to transfer the file. You share this file with everyone. Share. Everyone. Add. Everyone. Read and write. Allow other computers to see this computer over the network. Done. The folder has been shared. Network path. The Mac computer uses this network path to download the file. To make file transfer easier, set up sharing without password. Private network. Enable network discovery. Enable file and printer sharing. Password protected sharing. Off. Network and internet. Private network. You just need to set up folder sharing in Windows 11, following the steps above. Next, access the shared folder from the Mac computer. Connect to server. You use network path or find a Windows computer over the network. You just need to download the shared file. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out more useful computer tips on my channel.